It's Miss Pensinger again. This is Scratch Tutorial 1.5, all about the Sounds tab. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add sound to your project. So I suppose I should enable sound on my device. That would be a really good plan, huh? So if you notice up here, there's a tab for sounds right there, and when I click it I get a sound, and this is the meow sound. Wow, that could get really annoying really fast. I should probably add some new sounds. Let's see, there's a library of sounds. I could record a sound, or I could upload a sound from a file. Let's just go to the library. There are several sounds here. That might be helpful. And of course, each sound has a name. But maybe I think, well, that sounded like a cheer, but it also could just sound like a general crowd. That didn't sound really like eggs, but maybe it's helpful. This sounds like a dog, but maybe I want to use it for a dinosaur. So the words are helpful, but don't be limited by them. Perhaps they make a different meaning to you, and that's okay. So you can pick one. I'm going to have the cat chomp something, I think. So I've added a second sound to my Sounds tab. I can even add another one. Okay, I like that clapping sound. So I've added two sounds in the Sounds tab. That is going to add those sounds, make them possible to be used in my whole project. So I have a cat sprite, and I can go back to the script and look at the Sounds tab. And I can tell it to play a sound. And I see in this drop down the options of the sounds that I added. So I can add a chomp sound. Woohoo! Okay. I can also use different instruments and change the pitch of them. So I can add a cello and the notes, so I can actually record a little song with different notes. And of course you would add different notes like that to play a little song. Okay, so you got sounds and you got songs. So the options are rather endless here as to what you can do. So you can add these sounds to your code, and perhaps as he's walking along I can repeat this. Oops. Now I've got it, pull that out of there and do that. So and then I'll have it chomp. There you go. So I just made it do something. I can have that start when this is clicked, or I can have it start something else another time. But that's how sounds work in Scratch, and you'll want to use them, add them to your projects as appropriate.